Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I will share with you how to use Opal app from your phone on your Android or iOS. So you go to Google Play for Android and type it Opal like this. Type Opal. After you install it, you open that, install and open. You will see this user interface, and I have registered for Opal card here, and I'm gonna top up one of my Opal card. For example, 26. I want to top up it, and you can go. Oops, no, oops. You have to press this button. Then there are several value here. Which value that you want to top up? In this instance, for instance, I'm going to top up $10. Then press pay and then confirm. It will be $36, and it says we are processing your top up. Simply allow 15 minutes for train, ferries, and light rails, and up to 60 minutes for buses. And also you can tap on to finalize, so your credit that you just top up from app, Android app or iOS app, it will come straight away when you tap on the device. Then okay, press okay. All right, it says in here, um, it's plus $10. Okay, this is end of my journey for how to top up your Opal balance. So don't forget to top up your balance without Opal ticket box. So there is no um, you don't have to rush your hours. You can top up using your phone. Okay, this is on. If you find any useful information, you can like that button or that button. You can also subscribe there, so you will not miss your next adventure experience. All right, see you and have a nice day. And also you are pleased to share with your family and friends. Bye.